What do I have to lose? In this mirror, it kind of looks like my skin, but I don't know. She skipped concealer, so I'm not gonna put concealer. But she said I need a pressed powder, and she has a brush like this. Um, I don't know what pressed powder is, um, so I'm gonna find that. Is that setting powder, or is just like what's pressed powder? Maybe I don't know. I have so many. I have so many of these, like y'all remember from last time, but um, I'm just gonna
pressed powder. So to set the foundation, you want to take a dense brush because dense brushes pack on product more, and you want to use a lightweight powder so that your skin doesn't get too cakey and start suffocating. So I like to use this veil powder and just pack that where the foundation.
So is that a setting powder? I'm not sure because they have this, but it don't look right. And I'm learning, so it don't matter. Like I have time to do it today. I like doing it. This is my therapy. So yeah, I've seen so many wonderful people do makeup and do content creation and how it has like changed their lives. And I like the freedom of it. I like the freedom of being able to create and do different things and not be stuck doing one thing over and over again. And that's what I also liked about teaching and being in childcare, because creating different lessons, being different every day, getting new kids every school year is what I liked most. I like that most. It was never intimidating to me to pivot to something new. But this is because it's like I'm unemployed. I'm doing something I've never done before. Um, and it can be like, well, how you gonna pay your bills? I don't know. I don't. I don't receive unemployment, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I've already lost my car, so it's like, you know, whatever.